This 2016 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is a Class A RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Skylight, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, DVD player, oven, stovetop burner, refrigerator, microwave, awning, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half. This 2016 Fleetwood Bounder 35K is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.